Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CSS Text Property. Before we start, let's remember what we learned in previous class. We learned about the CSS outlines. And what was the outline? Outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the borders to make the elements stand out. Okay, we have a content and we have a border around it. And we have an outline around the border. Outline. Okay, CSS outlines has some properties. Also, you can change the style. You can change the color. You can change the width, offset. Okay, let's see a couple examples. Then we can continue the CSS text property. For the style, you can make it like dot or dashed or dash dot or solid. You can change the color like I did right now. As you see, I made it blue color. We can do different colors instead. Also, we can change the width, which is we can make it thicker lines or thinner lines. Also, we can change the offset. Offset means make a content. Normally, we have an H for our content like this. Just imagine this is transparent, and you can give an offset to your outline, which means space between the H of the content and outline. Okay, let's start to CSS Text Property for this week. Okay, for CSS Text Property, we have some attributes that we can use to change the text style. First one is the color. Second one is the alignment and decoration. Transformation. Spacing. And shadow. Let's start with the CSS text color. Do you remember how many different types of properties we have to change the text color?
Few moments later.
We have three types of properties that we can use to change the text color. First one is the regular color name like red, blue. Second one is the hexadecimal format. Remember, we were using the hashtag and then the 6-digit color code like F, 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 and F. What was this one?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, this one was white color. If you can remember. Okay, what was this one?
One eternity later.
Black color. And then the third property is RGB, and using 3-digit to define our colors. Okay, let's do an example. Let's say we are going to change the body color. Color blue. Now close the bracket. Also, we can change the header one. Color. Let's say hashtag 25, 25, and 25. Okay, let's do another example too. Let's add the background color to see the text color better. We're going to the body again, but this time we're going to give the background color. Background color like gray, and the text color blue. And close the bracket. We can apply same thing to header. Let's say header 2 this time. Background color black, text color white. Okay, I found a website. It's a free HTML editor you can use. When you first open it, you'll see lots of codes on this area, but you need to delete those. Now this is our editor area, and we will see what's going on the left side. Now, what was the first thing we need to start to HTML?
Few moments later.
Okay, to start an HTML document, you need to start with HTML. Of course, you need to close the bracket. And body. As you see, it's making those changes automatically. Okay. To apply these codes to here, what do we need to do? As you know, those are style, CSS style codes. What do we need to do?
One eternity later.
Okay, if you remember, we have 3 different types of styles that we can apply to HTML file. First one was
12 seconds later.
in-text style. Let's create a H1. Now we will continue with the style equals to, and then quotation mark, and then we are going to create our styles inside here, which is background color yellow, and color, which is text color, black, and then close to it, quotation mark, and then H1. After that, you can type a text inside this, and then close the H1. Second type of style was the header part inside the HTML file. How was it? Inside the head part, we have a style tag, right? And inside the style tag, we are putting our styles, like for H1, color, blue, or H2, background, color, blue. Okay. The third one was the external CSS file. On this file, you are directly put in the styles to here. Okay. Okay, let's go back to website. Okay. Now let's apply these examples to HTML website. Okay. As you remember, the head part was between HTML and body. Okay, let's start with the head. And this style. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna apply first one is body. Use the background color. Gray. And then we're gonna change the H1. Color to, let's do the hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see which color is this one. Okay. Yeah, as you see, the background color is gray. Now let's create the H1. Okay. H1. And I'll put my name. Yeah, as you see, it's kind of dark blue color. navy color. Okay, we are done with the first one, which is color. Now let's put the alignment. Text, alignment. Okay, to use the text alignment, our style is text dash align. And then we have 4 different alignment attributes. First one is center. Second one is left, right, and justify. Okay, let's imagine this is our page. We are going to also try this on the web page. And when you use the center, your text will be here. When you use the left, your text will be here, right, here, and justify. Just imagine you have a long sentence. It will fill the whole line. It will justify. Okay, let's go back to the website and try this. We have already some stuff here. I'm just gonna take here, text align. Since the H1 is the text, I'm gonna put it here, text align. Let's say white. Okay, as you see, our text moved to right. Let's try left. See, it stays on the left side. Center. It's on the center. As you see, we align our text on the center, left, and right, and justify it. And also you can vertically align your text. Okay? How? You can use the vertical align, and you have 3 different alignment for this: top, middle, and bottom. Okay, let's go to the other part. Then with the alignment. Now we're going to go to the decoration, text decoration. Let's say text decoration right now. The code for this, text decoration. We have 4 different properties for this text decoration. First one is the none. Second one is the overline. Third one is the line true. And the last one is underline. Text decoration none is often used to remove underlines from links. If you can remember, when you click on a link, http www.google.com. When you click on this link, it will change color and it will get an underline. To remove this underline, you can use none. Good. Text operation overline is when you have a text and use this, there will be a line top of the text. Line through, every line goes through the text, and then underline is underline, every line under the text. Okay, let's try those on the page. This time I'm going to create another header 2. Okay, let's do the text declaration overline, and then let's create the H2. Okay, as you can see on the left side, my name has a line on top of it. Okay, let's change this overline to line through. Okay, as you can see, my name has a line on it, and then the last one, underline. As you can see on my name on the left, there's a line under the text. Okay, we're done with the text decoration. Now is the transformation. To use the text transformation, you need to use the text transform property, and we have 3 different attributes for this: uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. Okay, let's go try this one too. I'm going to create another header. Okay, text transform uppercase. Okay, let's create this. Okay, let's create the header 3. I'll put my name again. As you can see on the right side, my name has lowercase letters, but on the left side, all letters are uppercase. Okay, let's go change this to lowercase. As you can see, my name letters changed to all lowercase. Okay, we're done with the transformation too. Let's go to the spacing. So there are different properties for the text spacing. First one is the text, and then text indentation is to specify the indentation of the first line of a text. Okay, let's say we want to make a space like 100 pixels on the first line. How is it going to look? You have a text, will start from after 100 pixels. Okay, now let's talk about the letter spacing. Letter spacing property is used to specify the space between the characters in a text. Now let's see how it works. This is how we are going to use letter spacing. It's going to be like 5 pixels or minus 5 pixels. Let's see what does that mean. If we use the 5 pixel, what's going to happen is it will give 5 pixel spaces between the letters like this. Okay, if we use the minus 5 pixel, it will put the letters closer together like this. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to create another style for this, H4, and then letter spacing and 5 pixels. Okay, let's create H4. Okay, as you see, when I create the H4, on the left side, letters have 5 pixel spaces between them. Let's try the minus. I'll just put the minus. See? They came together. Okay, now we are done with the spacing. Let's go to the text shadow. Okay, for text shadow, we are going to use the text shadow property. It will add the shadow to our text. Let's see the usage. Text shadow. It has two different applications. First one is the horizontal and second one is the vertical. First number shows the horizontal, 2 pixel, let's say 2 pixel, and second number shows the vertical, horizontal and vertical. Now, as we see on the example, after we made our text, it will give this yellow or different colors shadow to our text. Now, how we are going to make this different colors? To do this, we need to put the color name at the end of the line, like this one. Okay, let's go try this. I will create another style, H5. Shadow. Text stone. Text number. Let's create H4, H5. As you see on the left side, it has a red glowing color, which is it's our shadow. We can change the color and try different shadows. Let's say yellow. So you might change the colors also. Okay, with the text shadow, we are finishing the lecture here. Now, before we finish, let me ask you a question. Okay, how many types of different places that we can apply the styles in a HTML file?
One semester later. Graduation day.
We have two different types of places we can apply the styles in a HTML file. First one was intake HTML style, like this one. The second one was inside the header part style and an external CSS file that we can apply our styles. Alright guys, now you have 15 minutes to complete this assignment. What you will do is you will copy this codes onto this htmlonline.com web page, and you will choose your own text and colors and different styles to apply this assignment. Okay, and for Nadia, okay Nadia, you will copy these documents to this website and you will type your name like on the example right now. Okay, you may start your assignment. You have 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.